Step into the future with the 2025 Nissan Leaf, a bold new take on sustainable driving that's turning heads. From its futuristic design to the luxurious interior and cutting-edge tech, let's dive in and see what makes this electric powerhouse a game changer. The 2025 Nissan Leaf is a stunner from the first glance. The sharp V-motion grille is the centerpiece, featuring a sleek, blacked-out look with a crisp LED lighting signature that screams modernity. The boomerang-style headlights flank the grille, giving the car an assertive stance. The sculpted hood and clean aerodynamic lines not only enhance aesthetics, but also optimize airflow for improved efficiency. The butterfly-style doors showcased in this concept elevate the design to a futuristic, hypercar-like level, making it stand out in the EV crowd. Moving to the side, the 2025 Leaf boasts a low-slung, sporty silhouette that feels more like a coupe than a typical electric hatchback. Bold character lines stretch across the doors, seamlessly blending into the flared wheel arches. The large black alloy wheels, with a turbine-inspired design, not only look aggressive, but also aid in reducing drag. The sloping roofline, coupled with a panoramic glass roof, gives this EV an airy and dynamic vibe. These features combined make it as much a statement piece as it is an everyday commuter. At the rear, Nissan continues the theme of modern elegance. The wraparound LED taillights create a unified light bar that spans the entire width, emphasizing the car's broad stance. The sharply angled rear diffuser not only improves aerodynamics, but also adds a sporty touch. There's a subtle integrated spoiler that provides extra downforce, and the clean, minimalistic look is finished with the Nissan badge that lights up, a nod to its electric identity. Step inside, and the 2025 Leaf offers a cabin that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. The bold red and black dual-tone interior is both luxurious and sporty. At the center of it all is a massive touchscreen that takes care of navigation, entertainment, and climate control. This display is complemented by a digital driver's display, providing real-time stats on speed, range, and more. The flat-bottomed steering wheel is a sporty addition, while the use of soft-touch materials and ambient lighting elevates the premium feel. The spacious seating, decked out in vegan leather, ensures comfort for both driver and passengers, and the panoramic roof amplifies the sense of space. Under the hood, or rather beneath the chassis, lies the heart of the 2025 Leaf, a next-gen electric powertrain. Nissan has equipped this model with dual motors for all-wheel drive, delivering over 300 horsepower and instant torque for exhilarating acceleration. The range has also been significantly improved, now pushing close to 350 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities mean you can juice up to 80% in just 30 minutes. And with advanced regenerative braking, every stop reclaims energy to extend your drive further. The 2025 Nissan Leaf is more than just an electric vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of sustainable, stylish transportation. With its bold design, high-tech interior, and impressive performance, it's clear Nissan has outdone itself. So, is the 2025 Leaf your EV of choice? Let us know in the comments below.